Hello everybody, this is Doug from Darkwater North. I have here the Swiss Army knife camping edition from Victorinox. It has a corkscrew, as you can see, an awl, little eyelet here, pair of tweezers, small knife blade, a saw, bottle opener with a wire stripper, large flathead screwdriver, can opener with a small flathead screwdriver, and a larger blade. It's a very convenient little pocket knife, basically, a multi-tool. So stick around, don't go anywhere. I'm going to show you how most of these things operate right now. And if you haven't already, if you're new here and you're just checking out the channel, please, you'll see the subscribe button here. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Okay, first thing we're going to try out is right here. Put a cork in this bottle. I didn't have one that, let's try it out, see how it works. I guess camping you wouldn't mind a little wine with you. Oh yeah, there you go. That works. Easy enough, eh? What else would you use it for? And I imagine a number of other things, of course. And the awl, well, you can actually sew with it. I'm not going to take the time to do that right now, but I'll give you, here's two pieces of leather I glued together. Punch this right through here. If you had a thread on it, you would just loop it up and then pull it back through and repeat the process. Leaves quite a massive hole, as you can see, but in an emergency circumstance it would work. Okay, that's that. Now we'll try the little blade here. This stuff is extremely sharp. Just, cuts right through it. There you go. The big blade's exactly the same, like they were razor sharp, nice steel. I'll put the steel in the description. And the little saw isn't so bad. Just cut the corner off this thing here. Vacuum that up, but there you go. Just, it works good. The blades are like extremely sharp. I like them all. I mean, big chunks of leather here, and they just cuts like butter right through this stuff. And of course, your everyday cardboard. Not gonna have a trouble with that. The blade is so thin and narrow, like it's really thin. Just cuts through a lot better than those thicker blades, right? This type that's, does not bend, but with these blades, just right through them, nothing. So, the camping edition, I was fortunate enough to pick this little baby up for $17 at some kind of discount store. I've even used this eyelet here to bend springs straight. They were messed up, this spring I had for, I forget actually what purpose I was using it for. Comes with these little tweezers. And also a little pick. You can use it for a toothpick, I guess, if you so desired. And you can put your, it does have a little eyelet that it came with, but I took it off. I just carry it in my pocket if I do carry it around. And so there, basically you have it. It has all these tools for a great price. And the Swiss Army knife by Victorinox. Very affordable. I seen it in Canadian Tire for $41.99 plus tax. So check it out. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I'd really appreciate it. Doug from Darkwater North saying, have a good day.